Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the app icon without launcher. Simply open the Galaxy Themes application. Okay, so this is the home page, and from here you need to select the option icon section. So at the bottom you can see some tabs you can see, and from here you need to select the option icons. Select this one. So here you can see lots of icons you can see here, and from here you can select any one from here. According to your choice, you can select any one. And if you swipe right, means if you tap on the option top, and here you can see one drop down box, tap on this one and tap on the option free. Then here you can see all the free available icon pack you can see here. Okay, if you want to select any paid, then tap on the drop down, then you can select the option paid. Okay, so here you can see lots of icon pack you can see here. You can easily download and you can easily apply this one to your device. Okay, so simply here I am going to select this one. You can see. Now tap on the option download. Now just wait for a few seconds to complete this downloading. Yeah, tap on apply. You can see it is applying. Yeah, successfully it is applied on our device. You can see. Right? So in case if you want to get back your default default icon style, again go to the themes, go to the home page of themes, then tap on the three horizontal lines on the bottom right side, tap on my stuff, tap on icon. Here you can see the default icon pack you can see here, and you can see downloaded icon pack also you can see here. If you want to get back the default, just tap on this one and just tap on apply. So simply in this way you can apply the app icon without launcher on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.